Hi, I'm Elaine. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful freehold property close to nature.
Walk to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve and Bukit Batok Nature Park. Spanning across 1647 square feet, this 3-bed 3-bath north-south facing unit is brightly lit. Check out the unblocked view all throughout. The huge kitchen makes it comfortable for the chef in your home to whip up a sumptuous meal.
If your preference is eating out, a short walk will take you to restaurants at Upper Bukit Timah Road.
Amenities like supermarkets, international and secondary schools are also well within reach. Feeder bus service is also available near Symphony Heights for all your convenience. Right beside the property is Downtown Line, Hume MRT station, which is targeted to open in less than 5 years. Till then, driving to town will only take you 15 to 20 minutes.
By the way, the air here in Hillview is fresher too. For an exclusive viewing of this beautiful home, you can contact me. I'm Elaine. I will see you soon.